Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix customer journey mapping with Qualtrics step by step clearly. Begin by defining the objectives of your customer journey mapping project. Identify the specific touchpoints you want to analyze. Gather a cross-functional team to provide diverse insights. Utilize Qualtrics to create a new project. Select customer experience as your project type. Choose customer journey mapping as the focus area. Set up your survey by customizing questions related to customer experiences. Incorporate open-ended questions to capture qualitative feedback. Add Likert scale questions to measure customer satisfaction at each touchpoint. Use demographic questions to segment your audience effectively. Preview your survey to ensure clarity and flow. Launch the survey and promote it across relevant channels. Collect responses for a specified time period. Once data collection is complete, analyze the results within Qualtrics. Visualize the customer journey using the built-in analytics tools. Identify critical pain points highlighted by the survey results. Assess the emotional drivers behind customer satisfaction and dissatisfaction. Collaborate with your team to brainstorm actionable insights based on the data. Create a detailed report summarizing your findings and recommendations. Present the report to stakeholders for feedback and alignment. Implement changes focused on improving the identified pain points. Monitor the impact of these changes through follow-up surveys. Iterate the process regularly to keep the customer journey map updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.